Hello, my name is Prajakta Yadav. I am a student of Britsung Training Center. Today I am going to discuss a technical topic about ethical considerations in clinical research. So let's start with the topic. Clinical considerations in clinical research are essential to ensure the rights, safety, and well being of participants, as well as the integrity and validity of the research. Key ethical principles and considerations include respect for persons, informed consent. Participants must receive clear, comprehensive information about the study, including its purpose, procedures, risks, and benefits, and must voluntarily agree to participate. Autonomy. Researchers must respect participants' decisions and their rights to withdraw at any time without penalty. Second, beneficence. Maximize benefits. Research should aim to maximize potential benefits to participants and society. Minimize risk. Risk to participants must be minimized and justified in relation to the potential benefits. Third, non-maleficence. Avoid harm. Researchers must avoid causing physical, psychological, or social harm to participants. Justice. Fair selection of participants. Participant selection must be fair and equitable, ensuring no group bears undue risk or is excluded from potential benefits without valid reasons. Access to benefits. Ensure that the benefits of the research are fairly distributed, especially in vulnerable populations. Fifth, confidentiality and privacy. Protect participants' personal information and ensure that data is securely stored and shared only when necessary and with proper safeguard. 6. Independent review. Studies must undergo ethical review by an institutional review board, that is IRB, or ethics committee to ensure compliance with ethical standards. 7. Scientific validity. Research must be methodologically sound to ensure that results are reliable and contribute meaningfully to scientific knowledge. 8. Vulnerable populations. Extra care must be taken when involving vulnerable groups, for example, children, pregnant women, prisoners, or individuals with impaired decision making capacity, to protect them from exploitation or harm. 9th, transparency and accountability. Researchers must disclose any conflicts of interest and ensure that research findings are reported honestly and without fabrication, falsification, or plagiarism. 10th, post-study obligations. Access to interventions. Participants should have access to effective interventions identified during the research. Sharing the results. Researchers should communicate the results to participants and the broader community in an understandable and timely manner. So, these considerations are grounded in documents like the Belmont Report, the Declaration of Helsinki, and the SIOMS guidelines, which guide ethical conduct in clinical research. So, today we discussed about the ethical consideration in clinical research. Thank you so much for listening. for the today's topic. Thank you again. Thank you so much.